How's it going, everybody? Matt Rory here from the American Casino Guidebook. We are here at the Seminole Casino Coconut Creek. First time here filming. We're going to do some extra draw frenzy poker for 50 cents. We played this at the Hard Rock. We're going to give this a shot here. It's bonus poker deluxe 8-5, where this is the game where if you get dealt a natural 3 of a kind, it gives you all the extra hands. And in bonus poker deluxe, each 4 of a kind you get is going to be worth $200. So let's see what we can do here, see if we can get some winners.
All right, so it's a little loud here, but hopefully you guys can hear me. Let's see. It is $30 a spin. So we're gonna see how we can do here. This is, as I said, this is the game where 4 of a kinds pay 400 credits, and we're on 50 cents, so that's $200. And jacks are better, they're only going to pay $125. To make up for the extra payoff there, you get shorted on the 2-pair even money. So this is the hand that my dad hates, because you either end up with 5 credits or 40 credits. Hopefully we get some 40s here. No such luck. So since we're making that bonus bet of an extra 1 credit per hand, we ended up losing there. This game gets kind of ugly if you don't get dealt those 3 of a kind. So hopefully we get dealt some 3 of a kinds here. And I apologize if the camera's a little shaky. This is my first time shooting by myself. So we'll see how this goes. So if you have 2 suited face cards like that, you only keep the 2 suited ones. You throw away the other one. And hopefully, well, I wish it would have done better there. Keep the 4s, we got the low pair. Not terrible, won back half our money. Okay, another 2 pair. Hopefully we can get some full houses here and make up for it. Wow, over 20 so far on the 2 pairs. That's no fun. You don't keep inside straights in this game. We have the inside straight. That means with the gap, the 4, 5, 6, 8, you're missing the 7. You don't keep that. Even if you didn't have the high card, you still wouldn't keep that. So we keep just the jack here. Oh, 1 full house. Okay. I couldn't get it with the 2 pairs, but we get a full house holding 1 jack. Go figure. Let's see here. Half our money back again. Oh. Saw the 2. I thought there was a 3rd one coming for sure. Let's see what happens here. Our money seems to be disappearing rather quickly here. Hopefully we can get something here and come back. You know, Adele went, oh, there we go. There's quads. There's $200. We're back in this. And what a random quads. That came out of nowhere. Just the 2 suited face cards there. I don't think there was a pair there. I hope not. It's kind of hard to play this game and keep track of your video at the same time, so that's why I'm playing rather slowly. Good thing we got that quads, because we'd be real hurting if we didn't. Oh. We're going to go 0 for 30, or can we get a full house here? 0 for 30 on the 2 pairs going for full houses. Wow. I got a whole bunch of nothing there. Going 0 for 40? Oh, we got 1, 2. There we go. Now we're winning. Doubled up our money there. That's what I'm talking about. Kings. Quads. Trips. Deuces never loses. Let's see. Come on. 40, 55. Can we make money? No, we only lost 5 credits, so that's not too bad. Do you remember what game we were playing here? If it was double-double bonus, you'd only keep the aces. I had to think for a second. Got a full house, though. I'll take it. That hand is just terrible if you don't get the full houses. Okay, let's see here. Here you keep the 4-card flush over the low pair, and hopefully we get some flushes. 1, 2, okay, 3, I'll take it. One more money. We're up $12.50. Well, we were up $12.50 until I hit that button. Let's see. Let's see it. Oh, that's ugly. That's real ugly. Bet 60, you win back 5. That's no fun there. Let's not do that again. Slightly better. Queens. Tens. Alright, now hopefully we can get this bonus in. My dad's the one that showed me this game. I wasn't too familiar with it before. It's great when you get dealt 3 of a kinds, but if you don't, you're just making an extra bet for nothing. And here I believe it's all 4. Since it's the ace and 10 suited, you would never keep those together. And we go 0 for 10 on straights. That's fun. That's fun. I think it's all 4 again here. This is the 4-card straights with the face cards are the ones I don't 100% know. Got 2 of them though. That's not bad. But I've been playing on videopoker.com the past few weeks since my dad's been out of town for the live stream, so I'm going to go with my instinct here. That's an easy one. You keep the aces. You don't keep 3-card flushes in this game, and we have nothing else, so that's all new cards. Deuces. Can we get quads? 3, 4, 6, 8. That's nothing. We go to queens. Looked like there was a lot more there than there was. Queenies. Now betting these extra coins, this game kind of sucks because it's you get dealt a pair. Normally this would be a winner, guaranteed break even. But you see, even though we got 2 pairs, we still lost money because the 2 pairs pay even and we're betting extra. So. Queen ace. Just the king, you would go king 10, but since you have the club, the 3rd club is a penalty card, you don't keep the 10. At least that's how it works in jacks or better. I assume that's how it works in bonus poker also. There we go. Extra, draw, frenzy. So we got the 4s, so normally we get 10 hands. So 23, so we have 13 extra hands. You can get between 11 and 15 extra hands. So let's see here. Let's get in a little closer and see how we do. Not a good start at all. There's 1 full house. The 1 full house there. Come on, 1 quads. 1 quads. Give me a quad somewhere. Wow. That was pretty much the worst you could do. That was not great. 3 is 70, and half of that is what, 150 and 35, so that's what, 185, I think. My dad always raves about how fun this game is when you get that twice in a row. That's never happened to me. I would love it to happen, but no such luck yet. 4-card flush. Only one, that's no fun. We got half our money back though. 4-card flush, let's see if we can do better than the one from before. 2. 2. 2's better than 1. Still didn't make our money back, but it's better than 1. Or better than none. Oh, it's all the 2 6s I got. I got excited there. Thought we had another one. Oof. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh. Alright, let's see if we can get another one of these extra draw frenzies here. A pair, give us the dealt trips. I'm getting sick of these pairs here and losing all this money. 3-card royal. My dad and I have been playing on the videos for quite a while here and haven't gotten a royal yet. I would love a royal flush. Close anywhere? No, 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 no. One away from a straight flush. Oh, extra draw frenzy. Here we go again. Let's see, 25, come on. Oh, 21. So that's the lowest bonus you can get. Let's get in a little bit here. Let's see. We can't do, well, I guess we can do worse than last time. Let's see here. Come on, come on. Wow, there's one. There's a quads for 200. There we go, right in the middle. Can we get another one? Another one? Another one? No. Well, what was the last one? It was 370. Let's see, what's this one? 700. Look at the difference between when you get a quads and when you don't. I think that was the only one we got. I don't think we even got a full house, but much, much better. It's 350 bucks. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and call it there. We're up $87. So, we hit some bonuses. We finally got one good one. Those weren't necessarily good bonuses, but I'll talk to you guys later.